over Grand Traverse Bay. We're in the Holiday Inn parking lot taking video. It's very cool.
It's upside down.
Yep, one plane is upside down. They're getting ready for the show tomorrow, Saturday, July 6th or 7th. Today is the 6th, I believe. It's Friday. It's an amazing routine. Look at these guys go down. Holy cow.
Everybody's watching.
Well, it's exciting. Yeah. Look, we have a best seat, huh? Here they go back up again. Oh, they're going in opposite directions.
They made pelicans. Where's the gas? The clouds. Where are they?
And here is beautiful Grand Traverse Bay. Sailboats, seagulls, the beach, everyone's enjoying the water. It's warm, it's 82 degrees. There's a nice yacht going by. Oh, I'm going, okay. Okay, we'll go back this way.
High speed.
They're right there, yeah, see? Here they come up. Wow, look how high up they're going. It's amazing.
How do they make the gas?
Look at that pretty pattern they're making.
Are they making a heart?
Maybe they're making a heart. Wow! Wow! Awesome! Good job, guys. We'll get up to that heart again. How cool that is. There's the heart that the plane's made. Very cool. Very cool. And there's the flag.
It's right above us.
Oh, it's right above us. Let's go up over here. There they are. There's one of them anyway. Let's see what he's doing. Wow. Oh, there's the other one right there. Yeah. Oh, isn't that cool? They're making a spiral. That is awesome. There's one of them.
There's the other one. What's the other one?
Well, meeting the other one. It's just a spectacular sight, isn't it? There he comes down. It's like a free fall. Free fall. It's incredible. Incredible. They met each other again at the bottom. Now they're going up at the top.
They're gonna wham each other.
No, let's hope not. I think they're just practicing their twists and turns. He's following his friend up there. Oh, they're making little swigglies. Gonna do the same thing. Oh, are we in the way? Okay. Alright, that's all for now, guys.
That's it? You got some good ones?
Yep, 5 minutes worth of video.
So big there.
Oh, it's a little car, they can go around.